Hello everyone, my name is Aditi Kothari and welcome to Pro Talent. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about Tata Institute of Social Science. I know you guys are very busy with your 12th board exams, but if you are a socially conscious or a socially inclined person, then I'm very sure this video is not going to upset you. So Tata Institute of Social Science, TISS, which is very famous for its aim, earn while you learn. So apart from campus training, you also get an opportunity to engage in a job training. TISS is very famous for its mission to provide equal opportunities to the youth so that they could take up industry relevant tasks. TISS has got an entrance exam which is TISS BAT, Tata Institute Social Science Bachelor's Aptitude Test. Through TISS BAT, you can get into the course offered by TISS, which is BA. BA in TISS is divided into two parts, Bachelor's in Social Science and Bachelor's in Social Work for Rural Development. TISS has got two campuses. One is Tuljarpur campus, which is in Maharashtra, and other is Guwahati campus, which is in Assam. Let's have a look at the important dates by TISS. Application date. So TISS BAT application date is ending on March 20th, 2019. So hurry up guys, there are hardly 2-3 days left. If you haven't registered and if you are interested in this program, then kindly register for the same. 20th March guys 2019 is the last date to register for TISS BAT. As I said, TISS BAT is conducted in an online and an offline mode. Online exam date is April 28, 2019 and offline exam is on May 11, 2019. TISS BAT is conducted in 21 different cities. Some of them are Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, etc. So it is very convenient and comfortable for you guys to go and appear for the test if you are interested in them. Eligibility criteria. So there is certain eligibility criteria to appear for TISS BAT. First is your 12th board exam should be from a recognized board. Also, if you are awaiting for your 12th board exam result, you could still appear for this exam provided that you produce your passing certificate of class 12th if you are selected for this program. Also, if you have given your 12th maybe last year or a year before or maybe before that, you could still appear for this program provided your age is 23 years or less as on April 28, 2019. Now let's have a look at the TISS BAT exam pattern. TISS BAT exam pattern is divided into two parts. Part A, which is an online exam held on April 28, 2019. Part A comprises of different sections. Some of them are social awareness, current awareness, logical and analytical reasoning. Part A is of 60 marks and the time limit given to you guys is 60 minutes. Part B, which is an offline exam, is conducted on May 11, 2019. It is a set of descriptive questions in English. You need to answer 2 short answers. Time limit given to you would be 30 minutes and the marks comprised in this section would be 40 marks. Note that attempting part A and part B is compulsory as they have got different cutoff for evaluation. Now let's have a look at the intake for the program. So TISS BAT Guwahati campus offers BA in Social Science. The intake for the same is 60 seats. TISS Tuljalpur campus offers two programs, which is BA in Social Science and BA in Social Work for Rural Development. Note that the best part about BA from TISS is that there are no interviews in this program. You just have to get through TISS BAT. For any queries, you can go on the link given below. I hope this video was informative for you guys. Kindly like this video if you liked it, share and subscribe it. For any queries, you can comment on the comment section given below. And do not forget to register on protalentdigital.com. Thank you.